Yeah, so with Iligan City, most of us are, especially my employees, live in Iligan. Iligan's our neighboring city. We have a lot of relatives there in Iligan. So naturally, when they were hit by Typhoon Basyang, when Iligan was hit by Typhoon Basyang, we immediately had our team coordinate with the region and also with Iligan City on how we can help. So the first thing that we provided assistance for is yung floating assets, yung Wasar Water Search and Rescue dahil maraming na-wash out, and then we sent our boats there. And then we were also hit here sa Lanao del Norte, so yung mga clearing operations, they all went to Tagaluan so that we can restore normalcy sa munisipyo dyan. So yung mga landslide, kiniklear namin yung mga dalan, and then we went to see the communities, making sure they're okay, so nag-medical mission kami. And then when we were able to respond to the needs of our constituents, that's the time that I asked our PDR to look into Iligan City, ano yung kailangan nila. And there's a lot of debris. So we sent our equipment there, specifically one piece of equipment that we found out is useful during Typhoon Tinio in Cebu. Dahil sa Cebu, especially in Mandaue, there's yung mga maliit na subdivision na hindi makapasok yung mga malaking backhoe, malaking bulldozer. So we have parang bobcat, parang mini dozer. At yan ang ginamit namin to go inside yung mga maliit na mga roads and subdivisions para ma-clear namin yung debris, yung mga putik. We sent our dump trucks there, our bobcat, and then yung mga skid loader. We sent our skid loader there, dump truck, backhoe, and a team of Spada Squadron, no, na they're cleaning the area. So yan ang unang ginawa namin. We're still monitoring what's happening with Iligan City kasi if they need assistance, of course we'll provide assistance. Some have approached me already to ask if we can do a medical mission there. So we're putting together a team, and then pero we have to ask pa if there's a need. We've been told also that Barangay Mahayahay, the other side, is still in need of help. So if we can confirm that, and if they do need the help of the province, I'll send a team there para makatulong. We just need to know. What I don't like is parang pang photo ops lang, nandyan for 1 day, 2 days, tapos naglinis-linis, pero the community or the streets are not fully clean. My instructions to our team here in the capital is kung papasok kayo sa Iligan, you have to finish the job. No, don't leave na dumi pa yung area. Don't leave na so that's what we need to do an assessment before we can commit, basically. So if there's still assistance needed, we're ready to help, but and we're already sending people there to check if the Iligan City is okay.